Gas troubles making your baby fussy. I know the struggle of trying to release trapped gas in babies. As a parent guide and a seasoned mother of two, I've got some instant fixes you'll wish you knew sooner. Stick around for some practical, instant relief strategies. Trust me, you're not alone. First up, we have the essential practice of tummy time. This involves placing your baby on their stomach for a few minutes daily. This simple routine is a game changer for gas relief. The gentle pressure on the abdomen during this position aids in the natural movement of gas through the digestive system, providing comfort to your little one. It's a win-win scenario, promoting both physical development and relieving any potential discomfort caused by trapped gas. So make tummy time a part of your daily routine and watch your baby thrive. Now, let's explore the soothing technique of baby massage. Lightly and lovingly, rub your baby's tummy in a clockwise motion. This method isn't just about relaxation, it's a powerful aid for digestion, assisting in the gentle movement of trapped gas. The clockwise direction aligns with the natural flow of the digestive system, optimizing its effectiveness. As you engage in this tactile connection, keep in mind that a little pressure goes a long way. Your touch, filled with warmth and care, is not only therapeutic but also incredibly soothing for your baby. Third technique is leg exercises for your baby. And yes, we're talking about the delightful bicycle legs. Lay your baby down and with a gentle touch, guide their legs in a cycling motion. This isn't just about play. It's a fantastic strategy for aiding digestion. The rhythmic movement not only stimulates the abdominal muscles, but also encourages the movement of those pesky gas bubbles, providing much-needed relief. So whether your baby is giggling along or simply enjoying the motion, remember that these bicycle legs are more than just fun. They're a dynamic and effective way to keep your little one comfortable and happy. Finally, let's talk about another soothing method, the warm compress. Take a soft, warm cloth and gently place it on your baby's tummy. This simple act can work wonders by relaxing the muscles and providing comfort, especially if your little one is dealing with trapped gas. The warmth not only helps alleviate discomfort, but also promotes a sense of relaxation, making it a comforting experience for your baby. Remember, in the gentle art of caring for your little one, a warm touch can go a long way. So consider adding this warm compress technique to your repertoire for those moments when your baby needs a little extra TLC. You can also use burping techniques for gas release through burp. I've already explained effective burping techniques in my previous videos. I sincerely hope that these techniques will work for you. Liking this video helps boost its visibility, allowing us to continue sharing valuable content. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on parenting. Until next time, happy parenting.